good. These products are so good. They are the truth. I recently completed the DeTox Now 7-day water challenge. I have been searching. I knew that it was something that could just kind of get my body back to normal, and these products did it. They have helped my digestive system so much. I've been eating healthy for a while, but it was just something that was missing. These products is what was missing. I needed these. This is really good. Like, I've done fast and like detox and different things like that, but this was really good. Like, this helped cleanse out my liver, but it also helped my digestive system. I even lost 14 pounds. I gained mental clarity. My body feels great. I'm gonna actually be doing this often. I feel like every 6 months I'm just gonna do a cleanse. Day one, I feel kind of like lightheaded, because I mean, used to just eating, but by day 7 my body feels so good. Like, I had so much clarity. Like, I could have went and did another day. That's how good I felt. I'm just so grateful for these products. Coach Gessie, I cannot thank you enough. Thank you, God, for even giving her this vision to even create these products, because it was nobody but God. If you guys are struggling with anything with your menstrual cycles, with fibroids, just different things like that, go get her products. Like, try this.